Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm sharing with you guys a mug haul. I don't think I've ever shown you guys a mug haul. I have shown you a few mugs that I've bought here and there, but this is just going to be strictly mugs. And I've bought these within a course of maybe 2 weeks. Mainly, most of them purchased them today. And one of them I showed you guys on my previous video, but let's get on with it because I can talk forever. So this one is one I showed you guys yesterday. Here's better lighting so you can see it because yesterday I filmed at nighttime. But isn't this cute? It's like a little mermaid tail. And it's pink and it's like iridescent. I said holographic, but it's not. It's like iridescent. Super cute. I love it. This one I purchased a few weeks ago. I did show these on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me, this is what it looks like. And if you don't follow me, go follow me. I post a bunch of cool stuff. This one is perfect for fall. It has a bunch of little pumpkins. And these will all range between $3.99 and $4.99. I got this cute Halloween one, and it says, "You say witch like it's a bad thing." This one's super cute. I love these. And then I got this one and it says resting witch face. Look at her face, you guys. How cute is that? I love these. So these were Tjmaxx. Yeah, Tjmaxx. And then this one, how cute is this, you guys? It's a llama. I love it. Look at the colors. And it's from the brand Mugshots. This was at Homegoods. So cute. Look at the little legs. Little stubs. And then I've been seeing these on Instagram, so I had to definitely go pick them up. I got these at Tjmaxx. Look at this one, you guys. How cute is that? It says, "I'm a lot cooler on the internet." And these are by the brand, I think it's Rongrong. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that the right way. Celebrate life in a chic way. And then look how cute that is. Very like Kate Spade. I kind of like the vibe it gives me. Super cute. I love the shape. Love it. And then there's this one. Look at all the girls dressed up for fall. Love it. The little boots. And I like that it has like that little, you see the little rings that it has on the inside? And then right here it says, "Shopping is my cardio." And it's also from the same brand. And these I got at Tjmaxx. And then the last one is another fall one, and I got this one at Tjmaxx as well. And this one's mainly for my wife because she doesn't really like the girly mugs. She takes her little pictures on her Snap of her coffee drinking. And this one is, these are hand painted mugs. Artisans Collection by Belle Mason. So it's a cute little squirrel with a top hat and a little acorn in its hand. And then it has like the little leaves. And it says, "Nuts about fall." So wifey would like this one. She likes, you know, she's so picky. She's like, "Yeah, no, I don't like that." You know, but this one is cute. I like it. But that is my mug haul. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know which one is your favorite. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.